Students, so today we will start with the second chapter, that is The Brave Pizza Delivery Boy. This is the starter exercise that you will read yourself. So let's start the chapter, that is The Brave Pizza Delivery Boy. Okay, so Rana was a pizza delivery boy. Everyone called him Pizzo. So the boy name was Rana and he used to deliver pizza. His job was to deliver pizzas to homes that had ordered them. The pizzas were put into cartons which he would place in a box behind the seat on his moped. So as you can see, this is the mop, that is motorbike, and this is the box in which he used to put the pizza boxes. He would then go from house to house and deliver them. When he went to deliver pizza to a house, Pizzo usually left the pizza box on his mop unlocked because that way he could make his deliveries faster. So he usually not lock this box, because he thinks that if he will lock it, it will take little more time, so it's better if I should not lock it and it will make my delivery faster. So one evening he had 5 pizzas to deliver to different houses. He stopped the first house and went into the deliver the pizza. So one evening he had to deliver 5 pizzas to different houses. He stopped and he went into to deliver the pizza. When he came out, he saw 2 young men on a motorbike stealing pizzas from his box. So as you can see, 2 boys which had stealed his pizza. He took the pizzas and speed away. Pizzo did not raise an alarm. I can beat them at their own game. तो that time he did not said anything. He thought कि मैं उनकी game से ही उनको हरा दूँ. He said to himself. He secretly followed their bike. He saw them stopping in front of a house. So he saw that they have been standing in front of some house, so he also stood there. They were pretending to be pizza delivery boys. So they had pizza in their hands and in the house in which they have gone, so they are standing and showing them that that we are a pizza delivery boys. When the door opened, the 2 men barged into the house and tied them, the man and the woman, in the house. तो as if because they were thieves, तो जैसे thieves जो करते हैं उनको उन man और woman जो थे घर के अंदर उनको tie कर दिया, किसी रस्सी से बांध दिया. Pizzo saw all the happenings through a side window. So Pizzo was watching this from the side window. Pizzo quickly called the police. He told them his family is in a danger. तो Pizzo ने पुलिस को कॉल किया and told them that there is a family which is in danger. Pizzo thought to himself, I know the police will take a while to arrive. I have to do something to stop the 2 young men from stealing anything and running away from the house. So Pizzo was thinking, as the police will take a little bit of time to come, so for a meantime I should do something so that they should not steal anything or run away from the house. He went and stood just outside in front of the door and shouted, You are surrounded. Came out Come out with your hands raised and your eyes shut. You are under arrest. जैसे पुलिस अनाउंस करती है, same way he also announced that you are under arrest. Keep your eyes shut, raise your hands and come out of the house. The thieves were alarmed. They began to walk out of the house with their hands raised and their eyes closed. So the thieves came out of the house. Pizzo wondered what I will do now. What if one of them opens their eyes and sees me? So he was afraid. Then, to his luck, so luckily we can say, the police arrived just then and took the thieves away. The family thanked Pizzo and invited him to join for dinner. That night, Pizzo ate for free. He told himself, I must always remember to lock my box. So, in the end, he got a moral of a story that I will lock my box when I will go to deliver my pizzas. So, this was the story. Now, you will read this chapter 2 times and have a good day.